How to enable or disable developer options on any Android. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your settings, scroll all the way down and then go to about phone. This process is for enabling developer options. Now, go to software information and then keep on tapping Android version until this appears. But if you want to enable developer option, simply keep on tapping this one UI version. Sorry, keep on tapping this build number, enter your PIN, and then your developer mode has been enabled. Go back and just below this about phone option you will see developer options. Now in order to disable it, go to developer options and toggle this button. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.